I am your maths teacher Rajlakshmi Desai. Today we are going to discuss some problems from brain teasers. That is, first is answer the following. Due to examples of objects having curved surface, here I have taken orange and ball. Next is 4 points ABCD lie on a same line L. What are these called as? So here I have taken line L and there are 4 points ABCD and these points are called as collinear points. Can you draw a line on the surface of a sphere completely lying on it? The answer is no. We cannot draw a line on the surface of a sphere because it has got the curved surface. Next is, due to examples each of parallel and intersecting line segments from the environment. Intersecting lines, adjacent sides of tabletop. Parallel lines, I have taken opposite edges of the blackboard. Next is, if two lines M and N cut at a point X, what is the point X called as? Here there are two lines M and N and these two are intersecting at point X. So this point is called as point of intersection. Children, next we are going to solve question number 2. You are given some points here. Name all the sets of collinear points. Here there are points you can see P, Q, R, S, T and M. So if I join the points and you have to get the collinear points. And collinear points are those points which lie on the same line. Here I am joining the points P, R, S. So I get one line, that is P, R, S, and one more line you get, that is T, S, Q. So these are the two lines P, R, S and P, S, Q, which points are lying on the same line. Then now let us solve question number 3. In the given figure, here name all the pairs of parallel lines. Here is the figure and the first pair is L and M. L is parallel to M, M and N. M is parallel to N and the third pair is L is also parallel to N. Then you have 4 pairs of intersecting lines. Children, the first pair is LP. L and P are intersecting at point H. LQ. L and Q are intersecting at point A. Then you have L and R. These two lines are intersecting at point D. Then you have M and P. These two lines are intersecting at point I. Then you have the lines whose point of intersection is A. Children, here is the point A and the two lines where they are meeting are line L and line Q are meeting at point A. So the pair is L and Q. Then you have the lines whose point of intersection is D. Children, the point D is here and the pair you have line L and line R are intersecting at point D. 3 sets of collinear points. One of the set is A, B, C, G. Children, you can observe in line Q there are 4 points which are collinear, that is A, B, C, G are taken as considered as collinear points. Then you have point of intersection of lines P and R. Line P and line R are intersecting at point J and line L and P. Line L and line P are intersecting at point H. Then you have question number 4. With the help of a figure, find the maximum and minimum number of points of intersection of 3 lines in a plane. Children, you have to draw 3 lines such that if I draw 2 lines parallel and the line N which are intersecting at 2 points here. In the second case, you can observe the 3 lines L, M and N are intersecting at 3 points. So the maximum number of points of intersection is 3, and in the third case, you can see line L, M and N are intersecting nowhere, so the minimum points of intersection is 0. So children, till now we have discussed the problems from brain teasers. Hope you have understood well. Thank you children.